still trying to clear off all these vehicles. Everything still is loaded. People are still coming to drop things off. But man, these vehicles, look at this one, just loaded to the top. And they're still trying to clear it all out. Now, I really hope everyone made it through this one. This one has not been an easy storm. We rode it out in our RV, camping out here. Because they allow you to have campsites if you're wanting to stay instead of staying at the hotel. One of the security guys came by. If you look, you see that pool right there in the pool. That one of those pools went all the way over there, through that building, into that hotel. Came right through the concrete, blew a hole through. All these trees over here. Shit that broke and blew down. They've been cutting it down. So many cars have been totaled by these poles. This is gonna be a tough one, and I still have tons of cars